Fethu nayi le ndoda. Ngicela ukuniqwayisa kancane la. Kunento ngathi aniyiboni ngoTrump. Yes ngiyavuma ukuthi akusi president yethu but kunento ngifuna ukuniqwayisa kancane ngayo. Yenze i-research kancane. Benazi ukuthi uDonald Trump ukuthi usayine off away wonke ama-country ama-NPO. Benazi na. Okay, and then number 2, uTrump usende i-email wakhatha off, nangiyezwa ukuthi ngithini, wakhatha off ama-funding nemisebenzi everything ecountryini yakhe. Do you know that? Okay, another email ayisendile yokuthi akhathe istaff sakhe athi from nge-5 February ukhatha istaff. So we understand ukuthi abantu abaningi bokuhlala bangasasebenzi manje. Angazi ukuthi na understand na. Abantu abaningi bokuhlala bangasipani. And then ngisafuna mamelani kahle, ngisafuna ukuniziswa more. And then uTrump ukhathe nama-funding. Ama-funding wama-university, ama-housing, ama-capital fund, like ukhathile off. Wazi lo muntu ita wenzeni ne? Uvume lento ayivumile before ama-election and all stuff wathi no mina ngiyavuma ngizoba umuntu so ngizenza this and this and that. Mara after 5 days baqeda ukum-elect. Lezi zinto lezi asikhathile. Do you know futhi ukuthi usayine i-loan, usayine i-contract yokuthi okay mangabe ningabantu bangaphandle ngifuna wonke umuntu ongaphandle ahambe. Wavala ama-border everything, wathi ufuna ukuthi everyone must have a citizen or any permit to show ukuthi yes leyo siya understand because we can't live nabantu singazi ukuthi ubani lona, let's say ubulala umfowenu unyamala la so simple. Okay, leyo siya understand somewhere ngithi. And then the other thing na again, do you know ukuthi this guy, he doesn't care whether you are poor or you are rich. He doesn't care, but he's your president. I don't know whether you have noticed ukuthi lo muntu lona, he's a racist. I can view ama-video amaningi that this guy angafuna ukubulisa abantu ngezandla zakhe, especially when it comes to black person. Okay, let's leave it like that. Okay, kune video engifuna ukunibonisa yona manje la. Definitely, but Trump is fighting every country now. He's fighting any country now. So kune video ngifuna ukunibonisa yona yaka President Obonjo. President Obonjo uzamile ukuthi azibambe angakhulumi kakhulu, but ubonile ukuthi man waze lana ngathi kunento engithula nayo and yangilimaza and into worse sinokudla kubuya ngaphandle. Wathula lo baba lo wathi wazini lo muntu jita lo akas understand especially abantu bangaphandle. Number 2, why kumele si accept ukudla okubuya ngaphandle? What if lo muntu angasthelela or angasibulala ngama-slow poison? Cause he doesn't love umuntu obuya ngaphandle at all. Wazi kungcono nje ekuningi nginizwise from this video. From now on ngizothula nizwele from this video.
To you, this message is to the American government and to Donald Trump in particular. I am fully aware that this is either the 5th or 6th day of the inauguration of Donald Trump. I am also fully aware, and this is what has led me to make this decision. I am fully aware that Donald Trump has signed so many executive orders. Some have said he signed almost 5 million executive orders. These executive orders are discriminatory to parts of society in America. I am also fully aware that I shouldn't really get myself involved in the politics of other countries. But when it affects my people, then I have to do something about it. I don't want to hurt the American people. I do love American people. Trump could either have it the easy way or the hard way. Reluctantly, my government, the Obonjo government, and my cabinet decided that we will ban American goods. Food, chicken, rice, and all these other stuff from America will no longer be allowed in my country because of the way Donald Trump is behaving to my people. We will consider reversing our decision if Donald Trump reverses his executive order on DEI, his executive order on black citizenship, and his executive order on so many other things that affect the average American. We have not taken this decision lightly, but we know it is the right decision for the American people. We will, I will not repeat, ban all goods, food in particular, American food, rice, chicken, and all the other food stuff. God bless every single one of you watching this. It is the right thing we have done for my country. It's down to Donald Trump to make the right decision for the American people. The name is President Obonjo of Laughter Republic. Thank you.